Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, raise your hand if you never read your brokerage account statement. I'm guilty. I get notifications all the time, your new monthly statements here, and it just collects dust. I need to be more diligent. This video is about how often should you review your brokerage account statement for accuracy. When was the last time you read your brokerage account statement? For many of us, the answer may be a while ago, or maybe even never. The best answer is every month or quarter. Why? Because one of the best ways you can protect your investment portfolio is to monitor your holdings and activity. You should make it a habit to review online or paper account statements and trade confirmations on a regular basis. You should review your statements as soon as you receive it to confirm that it correctly reflects your investment decisions and any actions you made or authorized during the time the statement covers. Also, review your complete account statement. Don't just look at the summary page. What if something doesn't look right? Most investors never experience mistakes or issues with their account statements. However, mistakes can happen, and when they do, it's important to address them. You see a trade, withdrawal, or transfer that you did not discuss or authorize. Perhaps a new fee cropped up. Or maybe the cash balance in your account changed since your previous statement and you don't know why. Most of us promptly notify our bank or credit card company if we see a charge or other account activity we don't recognize or understand on our bank or credit card statement. However, regulators regularly speak with investors who have questions about their account statements or trade confirmations but are reluctant to contact anyone because they aren't sure anything is wrong and don't want to get anyone in trouble. If you receive an account statement or trade confirmation and say nothing, there may be a presumption by the brokerage firm, a regulator, or organization such as SIPC that you authorize the trading or other activity in the account. If you did not authorize the trading or other activity, you should contact your broker immediately to question the inaccuracy or discrepancy. Keep written notes of your conversation, including names of people you spoke to and matters discussed, as well as the time and date of your conversation. In short, if you think there's a problem, don't let it collect dust. Contact the brokerage firm. Find out what the problem's all about. If you don't address errors, the broker-dealer, registered investment advisor firms, a regulator or organization such as SIPC may presume that you authorize the trade or other activity in the account. When should you consider sending a written communication to the firm? In addition to contacting your broker, there are some cases like those outlined below where it's also appropriate to send written communication via email or letter to the brokerage firm's branch manager or other representatives of the brokerage firm. The brokerage firm's contact information should be available on your account statement as well as on the firm's website. Remember to keep a copy of all written communication. As noted on the SIPC website, if you ever discover an error in the trade confirmation or brokerage statement, you should immediately bring the error to the attention of the brokerage firm in writing. Unless you complain in writing, your eligibility for SIPC protection may be compromised. In particular, you should put your concerns in writing in the following situation. Problems with your account statement. You see something in your account statement that you did not authorize or concerns you. Some examples include cash balances unexpectedly change in your account, such as an unforeseen increase in the amount of cash in your account, which might have resulted from a data error by the brokerage firm, but could also indicate that someone sold securities without your consent, or an unexpected decrease in the amount of cash in your account, which could indicate an unauthorized purchase, transfer, or withdrawal. Securities missing from your account or otherwise unaccounted for. Trades you did not authorize or that look unfamiliar. Fees charged to your account that you do not understand. Errors on your trade confirmation. For example, errors in the number of shares purchased or sold or the price at which the trade occurred. Troubling responses from your broker. While most investment professionals will work hard to address your concerns and clear up any errors, you might find that a broker's response raises potential red flags such as unresponsiveness, unreturned phone calls, and no or limited response to emails or other written communications. Disengagement, statements to the effect of everything's fine or there's nothing to worry about even though the issue hasn't been resolved. Unreliability, no follow through after promises that a situation is being taken care of, such as telling you that the problem has been resolved, but you have not received a written verification or account statement reflecting the correction, or you are promised you will be provided the amended statement at a later date, or stating that an unauthorized trade or withdrawal of funds will be addressed, which does not happen. Inconsistency, different answers about the resolutions to the issues from your broker or different individuals at the firm. Private communication or settlement offers, communications using the broker's personal email, or attempts to settle with you directly or off the books without involving the branch manager or the brokerage firm by writing a check, depositing money or securities into your account, or providing other compensation. Sending written communication to the branch manager or the brokerage firm in each of these situations is important because it helps you if the firm does not address the matter and it goes to arbitration or mediation. Your written documentation can help support your claims and preserve your eligibility for SIPC protection. Other investors, your written communication alerts the firm about potential questionable activity that you can investigate further and possible identify and remediate similar or related harm to other investors. The brokerage firm, your written communication gives the firm an opportunity to educate brokers on procedures to prevent future errors or, if necessary, to discipline employees, especially if there's evidence of prohibited activity. Additionally, firms have a regulatory obligation to report certain types of incidents to regulators. This information may then become available to the investing public so investors can make an informed decision when choosing a broker or brokerage firm. When should I contact a regulator? If you contact your broker, branch manager, or firm and they've not resolved the issue, or if you have additional concerns about FINRA online, or if you have additional concerns, contact FINRA online or by phone. Comment, if you have any questions as it relates to problems related to your trading activity, or an individual at a brokerage firm, or any other concern as it relates to investing. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps you soon.